My name is Ashrita. I am from 8th class. Now I am explaining about the lesson first and the chapter first name is chapter first name of the first chapter is force. What is the force? Force means a push or pull of a moving object is known as the force or both. Moving object forward is known as the push and moving object backward is known as the pull. And we know that there are different types of forces. There are two types of forces. There are contact forces and non-contact forces. We know that contact forces means force which results when there is direct physical contact between the two interacting objects is known as the contact force. Contact force contact force exists in between when there is a physical contact. That means when there is a action between the both objects. And if you and figure B, if you see that in the figure A there is a toothpaste. If you keep the paste and press the toothpaste box, then you can, if you press, there is a contact force between the tube and your hand. And in the figure B you see the needle of the cum box. And now we can define, how can we define contact force? Contact force is the force which exerts between the direct contact, physical contact between the two interacting objects is known as the contact force. And the needle of the cum box changes its direction without any physical contact with the bar magnet. And what is the force at a distance? We can call force at a distance field force. The two are known as a non-contact force. Or define non-contact force. If they ask in the exams, define non-contact force. The force which occurs without any physical contact between the two interacting objects is known as the field force or the force at a distance or the non-contact force. And in the contact force there are some examples. They are normal force, frictional force, tensional force, gravitational force. And in non-contact force you can see that examples: magnetic force, electrostatic force, magnetic force, electrostatic force, magnetic force, electrostatic force, and the gravitational force. What is the gravitational force? The force of attraction between the two interacting objects in an universe is known as the gravitational force. If you visualize the magnetic field, some magnets are attracted in the iron fields. What is magnetic field then? The space around the magnet where it influence detected is known as the magnetic force. What is electrostatic force? Force exerted by the charged body on another charged body. That means ఒక బాడీ నుంచి ఇంకొక బాడీ రిప్లేస్ అవుతే దాన్ని ఎలక్ట్రోస్టాటిక్ ఫోర్స్ అని అనవచ్చు. మరియు మస్కులర్ ఫోర్స్, ఏ ఫోర్స్ విచ్ ఎగ్జర్ట్ బై అవర్ బాడీ మజిల్స్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ ది మస్కులర్ ఫోర్స్. అంటే మనము మజిల్స్తో వర్క్ చేసే ఏ పని అయినా దాన్ని మస్కులర్ ఫోర్స్ అని అనవచ్చు. Frictional force, resisting of a moving object, it always opposing the motion of the object. For example, if you slip on the floor, then it is a frictional force. Normal force always exists in the upward direction by any solid surface. And tensional force, a force exerted by the thread or a suspended object is known as the tensional force. And you can see that about net force. Net force means to algebraic sum of the all forces is known as the net force. Net force means sum of all the forces. When an object is non-uniform, then it is said to be acceleration. Net force acting on object which are accelerating is not an object is non-uniform motion. And you can say that when the two F1 and F2 are exist in the two in the same sides, then we can do addition. That means F net equals to F1 plus F2. If F1 is greater, you can say that F1 minus F2. When you can say they are in opposite directions, and F1 F2 minus F1 we can say when F2 is greater than F1. And how can we calculate the net force? Always net force from the free body diagrams. The diagram which shows all the forces acting on the particular instant is known as a free body diagram. Now we will draw the free body diagram of the car. You can see that gravitational force exists always downwards, and force applied by the engine exists always in left side, and for friction exists on the road in the right side. Normal force exists upwards, the gravitational force exists downwards. You can see that I have explained, but you should practice in your home. And what is the pressure? Pressure means the force acting perpendicularly on a unit perfect surface is known as the pressure. Pressure equals to force by area. If area surface increases, then pressure will be decreases. If area of surface increases, pressure decreases. And you can see that the definitions, complete the definitions, and I will explain the question answers. What is force? What changes can be produced by the force? Force means the push or pull of a moving object is known as the force. Give two examples of the contact and force at a distance. I will say one example you will try. And contact force examples: a tire of the car with the road. And non-contact force example: attraction or the repulsion between the two magnets. And explain gravitational force. If we throw a ball and we example, if attraction between the two objects is known as a gravitational force. Example of the gravitational force is, if you throw a ball, it falls down, or if there is a water you can't see, then you will slip down, then because of the gravitational force. Draw and explain the free body diagram to show all the forces acting on the car. Here that answer will be here. Here to here you practice and learn more. Okay na? And why do tools meant for cutting the always have sharp edges? Tools meant for cutting the sharp edges because if surface area increases, then we can't then the knife will be not sharp. If surface area decreases, the knife will be sharp and we can cut easily the with the tools. Okay na? Bye bye. You try these 2 bits, 3 bits. You answer the question of the 3 bits. But I will say in the application on the concept one question, that is, how do you differentiate between contact force and the contact force? Contact force means a force which have direct physical contact between the two interacting objects is known as a contact force. Non-contact force which results when there is a no direct physical contact between objects is known as a non-contact force. And it is known as force at a distance. Write the example of the contact force and write the examples of the non-contact force. Okay na? Bye bye, tata. And you can see that I will say this all. Okay na? Hoisting is a flag. Hoisting of a flag is related to pull. A person is pulling from a well. Which type of the force? Muscular force. Force in surface exerted of any object in the normal direction is known as the normal force. And let forces be F1 and F2 act on the table in opposite direction. If F1 is greater, then F net equals to F1 minus F2. A situation pressing the rubber band. A situation for the effect of the force leads to be permanent change in the shape of an object is a breaking glass. And try the experiments and what the textbook have suggested and the projects you do it completely.